Hey, what up, decisive marketer? So today we're gonna be talking about Swift Performance AI. Is the latest new plugin from Swift Performance, right? So they had Swift Performance, and then this is the Swift Performance AI. So what the team behind Swift Performance says is that this is actually a complete rewrite. So they actually rebuilt the entire plugin from scratch. I have tested it, so this is kind of interesting. But before I dive into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we go. So here we are in Swift Performance. Let me just kind of turn some of this off first. So what happens is that once you maybe I just kind of show you what is happening. So this was before I activated Swift Performance, but this is after. But I would just like to tell you that sometimes at the moment, either it could be me or it could be the settings are not right. Maybe I need to ask support for help because the images aren't really rendering so well right now. Okay, but as you can see, it might be a little bit too aggressive with the optimization. Okay, so with Swift Performance AI, at the moment, so what happens is that once you activate the plugin, it's going to look into your site and automatically kind of set up the settings for you, and also to cache, help you to build the cache for your site and optimize your website and all that kind of stuff, right? So it just kind of does everything all together. So it does the caching for you, optimize the CSS and JS, okay, and the JS delivery, optimize the images. So the cool thing about Swift Performance is that it comes with an image optimizer, so it's built in, okay, and then it has optimized iframes as well. Okay, so integration, you have WooCommerce, so you can pre-built product variations, checkout booster, price fragments. Okay, I've not actually tested it because it's not working so well at the moment, but I'll just kind of show you how the features are like. And then caching, so you can exclude certain URLs, exclude certain post type from caching, ignore certain parameters from caching. Okay, um, allow query parameters, bypass cache cookies, enable gzip, enable browser caching, keep original headers, media, optimize images on upload, right? So you automatically optimize images for you, lazy load images, smart image sizing, optimize rendering. Okay, so you try to optimize for first contentful pane and largest contentful pane. It will automatically resize the images for you, lazy load the images, right? And then you can load certain shortcodes via IX. Okay, some that cannot be cached, so you try and load via IX, and then speed up on-site navigation, right? So it will preload certain pages for you, and that's all there is with Swift Performance, right? So in my opinion, I know this is very short because there's with the Swift Performance AI plugin, a lot of stuff I think it's automatically done for you. Okay, so there's not a lot of optimization, but of course we have to fix whatever issue there is with this page itself. Okay, although it seems to be faster, but I think it's a little bit hardcore. But just to kind of defend them, I actually use Swift Performance for a couple of my clients' website, and Swift Performance has been working well. And I'm talking about the old, the older version of Swift Performance, which is Swift Performance 2.x. Okay, So Swift Performance AI is a completely new plugin altogether. So of course, you can see the version is like 0.3.20, so that's still very new. Okay, it's not even version 1 yet, right? So it's like beta kind of thing. But I'll say that they have a very good deal that's going on right now because it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday that's coming. So I highly recommend that people get this, but don't use Swift Performance AI just yet. I mean, you can test it out. If it works on your site, that's great. But if it's not, then I recommend that you switch over to the Swift Performance 2.x because it's much more stable. And then once Swift Performance AI is much better, you can switch over to that plugin instead. Okay. Yep, so I highly recommend, I would recommend people to take a leap with Swift Performance, and then let them improve on it as they move along, right? So I guess that's all I have to share about Swift Performance. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about Swift Performance in the comments below. Lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from Swift Performance, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.